In this video, I will let you know how to write Upwork cover letters for SEO experts. So let's get going. A platform for freelancing called Upwork links companies with independent contractors from around the globe. It is a fantastic method for locating employment, but using it effectively is crucial. As I am an SEO expert, I have opened my profile form here. Here you can see all the details of my profile. On the main page of the profile, you can see different options. I will press Find Works on the left side of the screen, and all jobs related to my profile will appear. I can sort them out by these options as Best Matches, Most Recent, and Save Jobs from here. I will open this first job. And I will go through the whole job details, especially the job description. If I meet the job requirements, simply click on Apply Now. I have to submit a proposal by filtering out job requirements. First, propose a specialized profile. As my job is specialized in SEO, you can review one more time the job description, job type, skills, and expertise that are required for this job. Here I can choose my payment methods with these options, by milestone or by project. And now I will give the other details as a description, by milestone, the due date by any of my specific dates that I want to, and here is the amount. You can add further milestones from here. If you are hired for the long term, you can schedule a rate increase after 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will go within 1 to 3 months. And now the substantial part of this video is the cover letter in the additional details. Write a proposal following the job requirements if you are proficient in English and have strong writing abilities that will help you impress clients. Otherwise, for the cover letter, I will suggest to you the best AI tool, which is Bard AI. For this purpose, all you have to do is simply select and copy the whole job description. I am already logged in and opened it in another tab. If not, sign in with a Google account first. Here, it is important to remember that you must prompt Bard correctly and precisely. Simply give a prompt, I am an SEO expert, write a job-winning reply for this description to Brooke, to an SEO expert. The description is here, and simply paste it. Then hit Enter. The thorough cover letter can be found right away. However, this is too long. If you want to get hired on Upwork, create a brief but effective cover letter. Now what you have to do is write a prompt again, write a short reply to this description to make it short. It seems ideal to me. Just copy this content. Let us revisit Upwork and paste it here. You can make some changes if you want to. Correct the spelling and grammatical mistakes. I will suggest Grammarly for this purpose. I will write here my name. And this is done now. Click on Send for 12 connections. This is how you can write an Upwork cover letter as an SEO expert. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.